So when you need assistance, or you just calling for some reason, you say, all right, I know I've seen that person, or said hello to them.
For us to better serve as a school, as a community. If there's anything we can do to make the transition easier, or anything we can do to make it better school year for you, please let us know. We want to partner with you and to continue to allow your children to go through the ranks at craft. And I'm really excited. I'm looking